guys, welcome to part 2. Remember that we made this house? So this is from part 2. Part 2 is we're gonna decorate. So don't be scared about decorating your own house. This is just for yourself. If you want to keep it, you can. If you want to give it, so yeah, you can. You can do anything with this project. Wanna be? Yeah. So first, get your colors, pens or stuff. Let me get them. So I got my pencil case, my pencil ruler or something. Maybe I might need them, maybe. Then don't forget to get a whole set of colors. Yeah, because there's some missing in here. So then also I will take markers. Where are they? Guys, okay, wait for a moment, because I didn't get my markers. My marker just disappeared again. Oh, they're here. Someone put it there. Okay, so let's start decorating the house. So first, if you want to decorate inside, sure, don't be scared. So this time I'm gonna try to use pencil before colors and pens, or else I might make mistakes. So yeah, so that's what I want to do on this project. And if you maybe know me, maybe just think about that. Let's start the project. I'm going to start with the roof, so I'm going to make the line thing. You're having trouble? You ask your mom and dad to help you draw lines if you want to decorate your room. There, I already made my first line. Now my second line will be here. Yeah. If this is a present and you wanted to make it perfect, then you have to try with your mom. If it's for your mom, your dad, if it's for both, then you will try by yourself, or you could ask auntie, grandma, or anything. And also, if you're giving it all of them, try your best to do it for them. If they like it, then wow, you're a good job. So these are my video channels, and awesome maybe. I'm almost done with these lines. At the first side, I just need one more line and I'm done. Don't be too scared that I'm faster than you. You don't need to be scared about that, because this is your project. It's not other people's project. If you wanted to give it, then you can. Sure, why not? It's your project and you can do anything with it. So now let's continue this other side. Oh, my baby sister is already waking up. If some of you know me, then that means you know my sister. Well, if you know how to make a nice project, then that's good. But if you don't know this, that's okay. I'm making my cardboards, actually.